Hey guys, it's Shelly. I'm here to do an unboxing. Today is April the 13th, 2022, and this is a paid promotion. I mean, they sent me the item at no cost to me, and it is from Vipcrossstitch.com. They are offering a 5% discount with the code below in the description box. And that is Shelly05. So on their site, they have stamped and counted cross stitch with both 11 and 14 count cloths. They have some embroidery kits. They have some stocking things, kits. They have like pillow covers, patterns for that. They have a lot of like really pretty floral designs, and so that's what I chose as one of their floral designs. So this came in the mail yesterday. So let me pull it out of this bag. So it comes in a really nice, more heavy duty plastic bag than normal, a little snap and a hanger. So this is the kit that I chose. And let's see, let me go and look at it and see how much the retail price is. So this retails for $14 thereabouts. It comes with 14 count cloth and DMC flosses with a stitch count of 242 wide by 187 high. And it's just really, really pretty dahlias. So let me go ahead and pull it out of this plastic and see if I can unbox this without dropping anything. Let's see if I can do it. So it comes with a bag with a needle. It comes with the 14 count fabric that's gridded. So that is very nice. It's not numbered. I like that other, I like it when it's numbered because then you just know exactly where to start. I didn't mean to show you the chart, but it comes with a pretty color chart. And these are the symbols. So these are all of the flosses. There's a hank of black, as well as some on this card. The card is, kind of sturdy. I would like it to be a little bit more sturdy, but at least they have all of the flosses, already divided out for you. So this is some really pretty colors. So we'll definitely be stitching. This since I love flowers and I love dahlias. They give you some instructions on, how to stitch. Can't read any of the writing, of course. And it looks like there's one more bag with a needle in it. So 2 needles, the floss, the gridded fabric, and the color chart. So overall, I think this is pretty good, really good quality, seems like to me. I definitely would buy other things from them. They have some other really pretty floral patterns. There's one with roses that's very, very pretty. That's also $13 thereabouts. It looks like it says they have a deal on their website, give 5 for the price of 4 right now. You probably would have to do that. Either choose the discount code or the 5 for the price of 4 if you decide to order from them. They didn't really let me know when they shipped it, but it didn't take very long from when I told them what I wanted for me to, receive it. So So I think that's all I need to let you know about this. I will, once I start stitching on it, of course, I'll show you like I do any other item that I stitch on. Um, there will be a link to the site below. There'll be the discount code, and there'll also be a link to this chart specifically. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.